Beyond the workbench lies a deeper, more intentional vision of woodworking that extends far past the act of cutting, shaping, and assembling wood. And at the heart of a sustainable woodworking business is the conscious journey from forest to finish, a journey that traces each piece back to its origins and forward to its purpose, transforming raw timber and reclaimed materials into high-value, marketable home decor and functional objects that carry both beauty and responsibility. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of Beyond the Workbench to building a sustainable woodworking business from forest to finished design ideas. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. This approach begins with an understanding that sustainability is not a trend but a philosophy, one that asks the maker to consider where wood comes from, how it is harvested, and how its use impacts ecosystems, communities, and future generations. And when woodworkers choose responsibly sourced forest timber, fallen trees, storm-damaged wood, or reclaimed materials from old structures, pallets, and discarded furniture, they participate in a cycle of respect rather than extraction, ensuring that every board has a story rooted in care rather than excess. This mindful sourcing not only protects natural resources, but also adds depth and authenticity to the finished work, because customers increasingly value transparency and ethical practices, and knowing that a table, shelf, or decorative object was created from responsibly managed forests or rescued wood gives the piece meaning that extends beyond its physical form. Once the material reaches the workshop, sustainability continues through thoughtful design choices that prioritize efficiency, longevity, and minimal waste, as eco-conscious woodworking favors timeless forms over disposable trends, durable joinery over temporary fixes, and multifunctional designs that reduce the need for constant replacement, allowing each piece to live a long, useful life in a home. This philosophy transforms the creative process, encouraging makers to work with the natural character of the wood, rather than forcing it into uniformity, embracing knots, grain variation, and imperfections as part of the aesthetic, and in doing so, turning what might once have been considered flaws into defining features that increase visual interest and perceived value. The journey from forest to finish also requires a disciplined approach to craftsmanship, as high-quality construction and careful finishing are essential for ensuring that sustainable products truly deliver on their promise of longevity. And by using non-toxic finishes, natural oils, and environmentally responsible treatments, the maker protects not only the wood, but also the people who will live with these objects every day. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Menu. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you, reinforcing the idea that sustainability includes human well-being as much as environmental stewardship. As raw wood is transformed into refined decor and functional items, the business side of sustainable woodworking comes into focus, revealing that ethical practices and profitability are not opposing forces but complementary ones, because a well-crafted, responsibly made product commands higher value in today's market, where consumers are willing to invest in pieces that align with their values and tell a meaningful story. Building a thriving eco-conscious woodworking business involves more than producing beautiful objects. As it requires clear communication about sourcing, process, and purpose, helping customers understand why a sustainably made piece may cost more than mass-produced alternatives, and why that investment supports quality, craftsmanship, and environmental care. This transparency builds trust and loyalty, transforming one-time buyers into long-term supporters who appreciate not only the product, but the philosophy behind it. Beyond individual sales, sustainable woodworking opens doors to broader opportunities, such as collaborations with interior designers, architects, and eco-focused brands that seek authentic, responsibly made products to complement their own values, expanding the reach of the business while reinforcing its ethical foundation. The financial sustainability of such a business is strengthened by efficient use of materials, as reclaimed wood and responsibly sourced timber often come at lower cost than exotic or newly harvested alternatives, and by designing products that maximize yield from each board, the maker reduces waste while increasing output, turning sustainability into a practical advantage rather than a limitation. This efficiency extends to the use of offcuts and scraps, which can be transformed into smaller decor items, accessories, or accents, ensuring that as little material as possible goes unused and reinforcing a culture of resourcefulness within the workshop. As the business grows, the sustainable mindset encourages continual learning and adaptation, whether through improving sourcing practices, refining production methods, or responding to evolving consumer expectations around eco-friendly design. And this adaptability is key to long-term success in a market that increasingly values responsibility alongside aesthetics. The emotional resonance of sustainable woodworking cannot be understated, as pieces crafted with intention and respect often become more than objects, serving as daily reminders of a commitment to thoughtful living. And this emotional connection elevates the perceived value of handmade decor and functional items, making them central elements in homes rather than temporary accessories. Ultimately, going beyond the workbench to build a sustainable woodworking business means embracing a holistic perspective that connects forest, workshop, market, and home into a single narrative, one where raw wood is not simply transformed into profit, but into purpose, beauty, and lasting value. And by tracing this journey from responsibly sourced materials to carefully finished pieces, woodworkers demonstrate that it is possible to create a thriving, profitable enterprise that honors nature, supports craftsmanship, and meets modern demand for eco-conscious, high-quality design, proving that sustainability is not a constraint on creativity or success, but a powerful foundation for both. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our handpicked beyond the workbench to building a sustainable woodworking business from forest to finished design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.